Excellent quality. This nail polish carrying case is made of 100% polyester microfiber. Thick padding provides nice protection for bottles and tools. Large storage space. The upper layer provides versatile pockets for storing polish brushes, bottles of removers and other nail polish kits. Resizable padded divider. The bottom soft divider, 40 slots, ensures the bottles stay protected. Note: this divider insert is resizable undetachable, holds 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounces nail polish, below 3.25 tall. Easy to carry. The sturdy handle at the top ensures that the nail polish bottle can be evenly transported upright. Size 12x 7.5 by 6.25. Top reviews from the United States. Works and is cute. Works exactly for what I needed it for. Lots of space for all my nail polish, plus the top, I put all my dip powders and they fit. There's not enough room for my tools, but that's okay 'cause I bought it mainly for my powders and polish.